Are you or a loved one dealing with a staph infection, also known as Staphylococcus aureus? This unrelenting, highly itchy skin issue is so hard to get rid of. Strains are now becoming more resistant due to the overuse of antibiotics called MRSA, and they keep prescribing a never-ending cycle of gut-damaging antibiotics. But there is another way. It can make a real difference for you that doctors can't tell you about. Introducing Biwaderm Probiotic Skin Cream by Omnutra, specially formulated with a balance of 7 live probiotic strains that compete with and crowd out the actual staph, preventing them from multiplying and spreading. Also infused with collagen-boosting organic biwa leaf extract. High in antioxidants that promote collagen formation, helping to strengthen skin and speed up recovery. Apply morning and night and witness real results within days. No more wasting time seeing your dermatologist for more costly prescriptions. No more wasting money on gut-destroying antibiotics that are a negative temporary fix. No more itching and scratching and worrying about the spread. Get your life back with Biwaderm Probiotic Skin Cream. For a limited time, get Biwaderm at a special discount, available exclusively on Amazon.com. Try Biwaderm today and finally get the true relief you've been waiting for.